Today's video lesson will be on how to create a document, presentation, or spreadsheet based off of a template that's already been created. So if you look at the left-hand side, you can click on Create, and then you can choose Document, Presentation, Spreadsheet, or Form. You can actually go down here where it says From Template. Once you click on From Template, there are thousands of different templates that have already been created that you can use. Right now we have South Sioux City Schools Templates tab selected. If you'd like to go to the Public Templates, you can click on Public Templates right over here in the left-hand corner. From here, this will give you, according to the hottest ones that are out right now, you can go to the most users, you can go to the highest rating ones. You can also narrow the type. If you're looking for a specific spreadsheet, you could click on Spreadsheet. If you go a little further down, you can see all the different categories. So if you're looking for something specifically related to a holiday, you could click on Holiday right here, or Calculators, or if there's something for students and teachers. I typically use the students and teachers one, so we'll do that right now. Once we click on students and teachers, there will be a bunch of different templates we can use. So if you want to you can just kind of search right through this. Essay grading rubric, if that's something you want to use, go ahead and you can pull it up right there. If you're not finding anything based on just scrolling through, you can actually go back up towards the top, and there is a search box. You can type in, let's say we want to type in food chains. Okay, so there's nothing for food chains, so we can just go back. We can go here, we can go to, let's go to book brochures. And there's nothing on book brochures. But as you can see, if you start to type in some keywords, they will have some different projects ready for you. And if you want to do maybe a presentation, you type in presentation. Or you can click on the tab over here. You can also narrow it down by language. If you want it just to be in English, you can just click on English. Give it a second to load up all the templates. And then let's say you want to use this one. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on Preview. Now, if this is something that you want to use, you can just go right here where it says Use this template. So if I want to use this, I'm going to click on Use this template. Now what it's doing is it's basically copying this from where it's currently at over to my drive. So if I don't want to have it as copy of presentation index card, I can click on that and I can rename it. I can just put, let's just call it presentation index card. I'm going to click OK. Now I have this on my drive. So somebody took a lot of time to set up the presentation, and I just took a couple of seconds, copied it, and now I can use it. If you go to my drive, it's right here, presentation index card. The owner is me, and it was at 3:21 today. So I can now use this. I can open it up from my drive. I can make any corrections or changes I want to it. Then I can go ahead and share it with my students. So that's a very easy way on how to use templates. Let's say you didn't want to use this template. If you X'd out and then you got over to your drive, you opened it and you thought, gosh, this really doesn't work for me, you can just go ahead and go back and delete it. You can exit out of here, go to my drive, the Google Drive. If you don't like it, put the check mark right there. And right up here, there's several different choices. You can share. Maybe let's say this is something that's excellent and you want all of your teacher teams to use it. You can click on share and you can share it with all of those people. You can organize it. You can put it in its own folder. You can also remove it. You can delete it. And this one is a preview. This just gives you a quick preview of what the project is or what the assignment is. I don't want this one anymore, so I'm just going to click delete or remove. It takes a second and it's wiped out of my Google Drive. Thank you very much.